So here it is, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and this is Samsung Galaxy S10E. And so I've both enabled the night mode on both devices. I can see the colors are much more vivid on Samsung Galaxy S10, S9 Plus. I don't know why, guys. Maybe you have some, if you could comment below, because this phone doesn't have any screen protector, and this comes with original Samsung screen protector, as you can see. So that could be the difference. That could be the issue why the colors are so different here and there. Okay, so for now, let's try some like comparison and any actually I like this phone because it's bigger. I can see everything. It's just the SMS I can write, of course. When I write something, the keyboard I can reach from any space, of course, from any place here, but sometimes it's a little bit too difficult. But when it comes to the Galaxy S10e, it's really small device, so you can write SMS or anything from one hand, and I can reach any point from everywhere. It's just so easy, so that's very good about this phone. Okay, now let's go and see some maybe speed test. Let's make it so, for example, if I go into YouTube and make some videos, right? Okay, so here we go, and let's turn some of the videos, or like, okay, and we go to crime videos and search. Okay, that was played already, so let's choose. Okay, so I didn't notice any difference. I guess both start at the same time, so that's okay, I guess. Let's go here and choose a new video, so that could change something. Actually, you can see that this phone has YouTube enabled. I enabled night mode as well, so I don't see any difference. I mean, yeah, now I could a little bit. This one was a little bit faster, so that could be the issue. Okay, and let's check, for example, one more video. Now let's go. Oh my god. Okay, let's try to enter. Okay, that's, I guess, the same. I mean, I don't see any difference. It's just the same and the same. Okay, let's try this one. No big difference. So that's really nice to hear that my Galaxy S9 Plus is still doing really good job, and it has really vivid colors. So I'm really glad about that. So guys, just don't, yeah, and let's try Google Maps. Let's do not turn the how we are now located. Okay, so no thanks. Okay, so for example, let's write New York, and we'll see how it's stacks. Okay, so here we are, and I click okay. I guess it was faster on here. Well, I heard something, I saw something here, but that's totally different look, I don't know what's wrong, but this one looks really nice, and the Galaxy S10e doesn't show real as vivid colors as on previous device. Let's try another location like Tokyo, right? Okay, it's also a very big city. I know it's strange, it's just wow, it's just faster. I don't know what's happening. It's in real life, the S9 Plus is faster. Okay guys, let's check some website, right? Second, okay, let's try the website like The Verge, maybe. Oh yeah, so here's the watch. The watch. It's still downloading. I don't know why. Maybe it's actually the router is here. So shouldn't be any problem here, right? Okay. So I just click on both devices, go, and let's see. So this one is faster, right? It does prove now it's a little bit faster from the experience. Okay, now let's try this one. Okay, let's it to be finished, right? Okay, well, maybe it looks a little bit better scrolling. Okay, and if we make a refresh, right? So let's do refresh for both devices, right? Just once again. Second. Okay, just okay. So let's try the camera. Well, this is how it looks like. It's quite fast. I really like the camera on my Galaxy phone. And this is on Galaxy S10E, so I don't see any big difference here. I mean, in terms of settings, here is the same. Here's the off. Okay, so that's video, that's photo. Okay, so that's basically everything is the same here, right? Okay. So live focus, it also has live focus pro camera. Everything looks the same, everything. Oh, that's Instagram, and the older version doesn't. I mean, I don't have Instagram on this phone installed, so that could be why there is a difference. Okay. Okay, so here's everything looks the same, right? Okay, great. So basically everything looks fine on both devices. I like Samsung Galaxy S10E. Let's take some, photos from the outside, right? It's very interesting to see. So, but this will not look fine. I need to show that on PC, so that will be fine. Okay, so here's the back of the phone. Once again showing that also gives some live signals, This is the phone from here, right? Okay. So basically I'm really interested in this phone, and so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any comments, please comment below. Peace out.